We're finally here. Oops! Hi, Dawn. You're gonna you will go crab hunting?
No, perfect crab hunting.
Uh-huh.
No,
Deep edge of what?
the river.
The river. Hey, Kaden, Phil, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Is it fun here? So we're here in Pilipaninap, Tanay Rizal, and we're going camping with 8 families. This is our tent. There's the river, and we're still waiting for them. Today is also Jamie's birthday, so we prepared some loot bags for the kids. What's inside your loot bag, ate? Beads and candies. Those are for the girls. Still waiting for them. Guys, what are you doing?
I'm playing.
Kaninong tent to?
Mine.
This is your
Yeah,
tent.
it's fine for me to get pretty one.
Everyone's here? Is everyone here?
Oh.
Zane, can you say happy birthday, Jamie?
Happy birthday. Come on. Get it.
Ton, are you happy your friend is here na? Ton?
What? Help. Whoa. Welcome to the vlog.
Today is? Whose birthday is it today, Freya?
It's Jamie's happy birthday. She's 9 years old today.
Did you see her recital video? You were there.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yes.
It was
Oh, hi, Kaden.
for
Hi,
good.
Kaden. Yes, I sent Freya.
For good.
Mishi Pie. So we have memories with Mishi Pie. Mishi Pie and
So
Kaden.
that we will not be having a hard time.
Happy birthday, Jamie!
And you have to give a major wish.
What?
You're 11 na, Jimmy.
Oh, and more? Wish. Wish? Oh, wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kanta, Freya!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yeah.
On this day and forever after, and pray that you'll grow to be strong, healthy, and happy. Just live for you. In His name, amen.
Amen! Thank you, Dad.
Daddy, wag kayo siya masyadong ma-current.
what are you doing?
Savage.
What does savage mean, Freya?
Very, you know.
So this is everyone is up to on a camping night. Some kids are playing. Some kids are on the swing. Others are having their dinner. Everyone's toasting marshmallows. Oh! What happened?
Kailan na?
Oh, watch out with your sticks.
Kailan?
A lot of marshmallows. There. You be careful, it's sharp.
It's super burn.
Don't burn your marshmallow, Zane.
This is what Moses does every night. Diba? He leads the people of God, the Israelites. But there's something that Moses is doing.
What is everyone up to? Selling what? How much are those? Here, what is everyone up to here? Good job, Gab. What are you cleaning? Okay. Boss here, Caleb. Caleb, who's your boss? Dylan. He's the store owner. Hi, boss Dylan. What are you doing? Person, what are you up to?
I target a dragonfly.
A dragonfly? I think we have to go home, Naton. Let's go home.
Malalim din eh.
Everyone's going home. Bye, Zane. Bye, Dylan. It's there at your back. The family. Casanova family. There. There.
No.
They are Casanova family.
No, it's there. Oh, hi, Jamie.
What you did? A chicken? Your order, Jamie? What's your order? What did you order, Freya? So this is your family celebration with the Absalon family. Yeah, what did you got as a gift? See? Wow! Nanay didn't give you a gift also,
Oh
Lasana.
yeah, it's strawberry.
Let me get it. Can I see? That's Nanay's artwork eh. Yes. Can I see it?
Butterfly. Tanong mo
Can
kay
I see? Can I
nanay.
see?
Tanong mo kay nanay Diding anong flower yan. Pero siya yung teacher nila. Pero siya yung teacher.
Time to find the perfect gift. Who gave you the 500? Yes, thanks, Tita Lani. Of course, Freya's friend, Jamie's friend is here too. Maybe you like it now, Jamie, oh. Do you have a toy? Is it also your birthday, huh? You too? Is it Caden's birthday? Why does Caden has a toy?